So now we are starting with a topic named as artificial intelligence and machine learning in financial service. So our AI, that is artificial intelligence, is the basic main parent, and machine learning, that is MI, is the part of artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence basically? So we are creating a robot, okay, which is going to take the decisions which a human is going to take. Now what is the benefit of replacing the human with artificial intelligence? The benefit is the accuracy as well as the speed, the efficiency. But there is one thing, that do you think that the systems will upgrade themselves? Like, if I'll talk about myself, if I will make mistakes, I will learn from my mistakes over the period of time. But what about the computers? What about the systems? Do my models learn from their mistakes? Now the answer is yes. And that is known as machine learning. Means it keeps on learning from their past experience. So machine learning is the part of artificial intelligence. So nowadays, this technology is entering into the financial markets, and they are now replacing the humans. If I'll talk about the present scenario, there is an algo trading. Okay. Now what is this algo trading? Basically, we feed the with the system the information as when to buy as when to sell. Okay. So now, if I being a human, I want to buy something, what I will do? First of all, I have to type the name of that company which I want to buy. I have to enter the price, I have to enter the quantity, then I have to press the enter. Then the order will move to the market. But with respect to the artificial intelligence, these things will happen in the microseconds. Means the time period in which human being thinks to do, you will find them they have actually done the task. So we are getting from there the accuracy as well as the huge amount of speed. So they are influencing in a vast manner with respect to the financial market. Okay, I'm not saying that AI is used only in the financial market, but our context is completely focused towards the financial market. So AI is really influencing the stability of the financial markets. So this AI is basically having the expertise in how to perform a sequence of action. Means if I'll tell my computers, if I'll tell my algorithms, okay, this is the task and you have to do the task in such and such process. So definitely they are going to follow the process. Apart from this, they are going to find the patterns in the big data. Means the data was such a huge data, it is in billions of numbers, and the artificial intelligence is going to find out the pattern in the data which is really difficult for the human being to find any such pattern. As well as with respect to the process, they don't only follow the process, sometimes it happen that they optimize the process. And when I'm saying optimize, means to make the process more efficient. Clear? So sometimes it happen that human don't even need to interfere in their process. Means they will do it automatically, but sometimes human will have to become the part of the process to make the system learn. Okay, if I'll give you an example, the example, suppose a car is driven by a computers with the help of algorithms. So I have to tell to my computer that, see, whenever your camera will see something like the bumpers, okay, or might be some damp in the road, you need to decrease your speed. Okay, might be for the first time it won't be able to understand, but when it will experience that the car is moving and there is a bumper on the road and it did not decrease the speed, so it experienced some fluctuation, some issues, so that issue is recorded in the system. Now being a human, I will go and intervene between that, and I will tell to the system that if any time you will face this kind of situation, please reduce your speed. So sometimes it happens that human need to interfere, and sometimes it happens that human being don't need to interfere. Now what is the use of this AI? So I have told you two things. One is the efficiency as well as the accuracy, as well as the speed. But apart from this, if you look at from the company's perspective, what they want the profitability. And how the profitability will be there? When I will reduce my cost. Okay, if you are replacing 10 human being by a single system, then there is a huge cost saving for you. So company will see the huge amount of profitability when they will include the AI and machine learning in their business process. So now, in order to understand that why industry is now AI focused, means why they are adopting AI into their business process. So we are looking it from the two perspective. One is the supply factors and one is the demand factors. So when I'm saying the supply factors, I have to look at that what AI and ML is supplying to me. Okay, first of all, it is providing me the faster computational process. Second, that it is able to manage the big data. Clear? Apart from this, it is able to get the information out of the big data, because having the data is not the criteria, but getting the information out of that data is important. As well as nowadays the cost of storing the data is also very low. Clear? So these are the basic factors which makes the organization to adopt AI and ML. Now, why there is a huge demand? First of all, the cost saving. Clear? We are using the AI for the risk management. Clear? As well as with the help of this, we can offer the new product and services into the market. We can detect frauds. See, with respect to human, it is very difficult to find out the fraud, but it's easy for the system to detect the fraud. As well as they are helpful in maintaining the regulatory compliances. Means if the regulatory compliance is that you need to have the war limit at 99% confidence for $700 million. So at any point of time your war will exceed, it will show you the red signal, and you will take the necessary action to reduce your war so that you can stay within the given limits. Clear? So these are the basic supply and demand factors which are impacting the demands of AI in the market. Okay, so this much will be in our first session. Thank you.